Let me tell you about a very special forest where the sunbeams dance through leaves and the animals. Well, they're a bit peculiar. You see, in this lush paradise lives Fiko, the biggest, sweetest, and oh my, the most absurdly panicky elephant you'll ever meet. And then there's Miskin, a mouse so relaxed you'd sleep through. Well, just about anything.
Another day in paradise, eh, Fiko? Nothing to worry about here.
Oh dear, is that a baby bird on the ground? What if it's hurt? What if its mother is looking for it? What if...
Now, Fiko may be a worrier, but he's got a heart of gold. Watch this.
Don't worry, little one. I'll get you back home safe and sound. Just don't make any sudden moves, okay?
With the crisis averted, Fiko decides to treat himself to a refreshing drink. Little does he know, his next sip of water will change everything. A single drop of water trembles at the tip of Fiko's trunk, ready to fall, and set off a chain of hilariously catastrophic events.
A drop fell. This is a disaster. This is a hydrological catastrophe. We're gonna be in the history books. We're doomed. The water is coming for us. Get to higher ground.
Oh, the equanimity.
I can't run this fast. I'm still escaping. An elephant has lost his mind. I repeat, an elephant has lost his mind. Evacuate the forest.
Bro, this is all happening way too fast for my brain right now.
Higher ground! We need higher ground!
Then, in a moment that seemed to stretch for eternity, they landed in a puddle. A very small puddle. But to Fiko, it might as well have been the Pacific Ocean.
The sky is falling, no, the ground is flooding, everything's gone topsy-turvy.
Oh, the drama, the suspense, I can't bear it.
Must build faster, water's coming, no time for blueprints.
I'm too old for this. I'll be the first to drown.
To you and me, it might look like a harmless little splash. But in Fiko's mind...
Goodbye, Boris. Goodbye, my friends. I shall be remembered as... Nothing will ever be the same again. You knew me as a dry elephant, but now I am a wet elephant.
The acorns. Who will think of the acorns?
Dig for your lives.
Oh, the humidity.
Quick, we need to build an ark. Where's my hard hat?
I can't swim. I'm too tall to drown.
We're sinking. We're all sinking.
Into what? Your imagination? All right, Fiko, buddy, let's take a deep breath and look around. What do you actually see?
I see a puddle.
Fiko, it's just water. Nothing to be afraid of.
But what if it's not just water? What if it's a portal to another dimension? Gasp, eyes widen. A butterfly?
Indeed, a butterfly had landed on Fiko's trunk. For once, our elephant friend was too surprised to panic.
Look at that, buddy. Even the butterfly knows you're not scary. You're just a big softie.
It's beautiful. You know what, Miskin? Maybe not everything is a disaster after all.
Now you're getting big. Welcome to the chill side of life.
Is it safe to come out now? Are we done panicking?
I think I can finally catch my breath.
Wait, did you hear that? Was that a twig snapping? Could it be a twig monster? Good night, Forest.
The end? Or is it just the beginning of Fiko's less panicky adventures?